I actually value my philosophy degree more than I value my law degree and my computer science degree. But philosophy is the art of asking questions. Like that precedes the
Hmm.
science and it precedes the legal part of it. Like the humanities people are the ones that create the interesting problems, ask the interesting
That's
questions
right.
that then the technical people
That's
ask.
right.
But that it's
Yep.
interesting you'd say that because
And
that
whether
is
that is true or not, that AI is going to replace all these coders and all these programmers and all these science-oriented backgrounds, whether it's true or not, the narrative's
yeah,
out there and it's
yeah,
changing behavior of what
yeah.
people are studying. And that's fascinating to me. The other thing, and you,
It's absolutely true that it will
yeah,
replace some things, right?
correct.
Like, but that's been true for that was true for the wheel. I mean, the wheel
Exactly.
replaced that was
It's not
true for the
right.
internal combustion engine. That's been
I
true
think it's the
forever.
pace, right? And
Yeah.
it's the penetration of this change into white collar jobs at a scale we've not seen before, right?